Hey everyone, I'm Brielle. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine, a kitchen game changer for anyone who loves saving food and money. If you're tired of freezer burn or tossing out spoiled groceries, stick around. This might be the tool you need. Let's break it down and see if it's worth your investment. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. So, what makes the Vakumar Vacuum Sealer stand out? This thing is packed with features. It's a 90 kPa powerhouse, meaning it sucks out air fast for a tight, airtight seal. It's got 10 different modes, including dry, moist, and even a unique liquid mode for sealing soups, stews, or sauces without making a mess. You can adjust the vacuum pressure, strong for sturdy items like meats, or soft for delicate stuff like muffins or berries. There's also a pulse mode for fragile foods, letting you control the suction to avoid crushing them. Plus, it has a built-in cutter and bag storage, so you're not fumbling around for scissors or rolls. The LED display shows the sealing progress, and the removable drip tray makes cleanup a breeze. It even comes with a starter kit of bags and a hose for sealing containers or jars, perfect for marinating or storing wine. Now let's talk pros. First, it's versatile. Whether you're sealing dry goods, wet foods, or liquids, this machine handles it all like a champ. Customers rave about how easy it is to use. One-handed operation with a locking handle makes it quick and intuitive. It's also durable, with a sturdy build that feels like it'll last years. The double heat seal ensures bags stay airtight, keeping food fresh up to 10 times longer, which is great for bulk shoppers or meal preppers. And the price? It's a steal for what you get. Some say it rivals machines costing over $250, but no product's perfect. Some users reported issues with durability, saying it stopped working after a few uses, though this seems rare. The instruction manual could be better. It's not always clear, and some folks wished it included Spanish. Also, while the starter kit is nice, you might need to buy extra bags sooner than expected if you seal a lot. Lastly, a few reviews mentioned issues with customer service for returns, so keep that in mind. So, should you buy the Vakumar Vacuum Sealer? I say yes if you're looking to save money by preserving food longer, especially if you buy in bulk, garden, or love sous vide cooking. It's user-friendly, packed with features, and offers great value. The minor cons don't outweigh the benefits for most home cooks, but if you need top-tier customer support, you might want to double-check the seller's policies. All right, folks, that's my take on the Vakumar Vacuum Sealer. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. To grab this sealer at the best price, click the affiliate link in the description. Rick's Review Hub has you covered with special promotional pricing on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.